Hello everyone!
Hi everyone!
Hi everyone!
I'm Kay.
I'm Chimay
And I'm Lizelle.
and welcome to Davao channel. In this series, we are going to study the writing procedure of all katakana alphabet.
And also the pronunciation.
And I guess everyone is excited? Then, let's begin!
Let's go!
Are you ready, Kate?
Yes, I'm ready.
Then, let's start. First column, up. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. E. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. U. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. E. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. O. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, brush up. Third stroke, release. Second column, ka. First stroke, brush up. Second stroke, release. Ki. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Ku. First stroke, release. Second stroke, release. Ke. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. Ko. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third column, sa. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. She. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. Su. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Sa. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. So. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Fourth column, ta. First stroke, release. Second stroke, release. Third stroke, stop. Chi. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. Tu. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. Te. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. To. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Fifth column, na. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Ni. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Nu. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Ne. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Third stroke, stop. Fourth stroke, stop. No. First stroke, release. Sixth column, ha. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. He. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Fu. First stroke, release. He. First stroke, stop. Ho. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Fourth stroke, stop. Seventh column, ma. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Mi. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Mu. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Me. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Mo. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Eighth column, ya. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. You. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Yo. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Ninth column, la. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Li. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Lu. First stroke, release. Second stroke, release. Le. First stroke, release. Lo. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. 10th column, wa. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. O. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. 11th column, n. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release.
Okay, are you ready, Chimay and Lizelle?
Yes, we're ready!
So let's start. A, I, U, E, お、
あいうえお、
あいうえお、
かきくけこ、
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 さしすせそ、
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 たちつてと、
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 なにぬねの、
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 Okay, nice. Okay, next. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho.
はひふへほ、
はひふへほ、
ま、み、む、め、も。
まみむめも、
まみむめも、
や、ゆ、よ。
やゆよ、
やゆよ、
ら、り、る、れ、ろ。
らりるれろ、
らりるれろ、
わ、お。
わお、
わお、
ん。
ん。
Okay, beautiful.
Thank you!
Alright, this time,
Let's pronounce the katakana alphabet faster.
yes.
Are you ready, Chimay and Rizel?
Yes, we're ready.
Okay, let's start. A, I, U, E, O.
A, I, U, E, O.
A, I, U, E, O.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko.
Sa, shi, su, se, so.
Sa, shi, su, se, so.
Sa, shi, su, se, so.
Ta, chi, tsu, te, to.
Ta, chi, tsu, te, to.
Ta, chi, tsu, te, to.
Na, ni, nu, ne, no.
Na, ni, nu, ne, no.
Na, ni, nu, ne, no.
Ha, hi, hu, he, ho.
Ha, hi, fu, he, ho.
Ha, hi, fu, he, ho.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
Ya, yu, yo.
Ya, yu, yo.
Ya, yu, yo.
La, li, lu, le, lo.
La, li, lu, le, lo.
La, li, lu, re, ro.
Wa, wo.
Wa, o.
Wa, o.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Did you enjoy my writing?
And also our pronunciation. We hope you learned something from this video.
So that would be all for today's lesson. Again, this is Davao channel.
I'm Kay.
I'm Chimay.
I'm Lizelle.
Thank you very much for watching.
Domo arigatou gozaimasu.
See you again. Mata ne!